Hello, welcome back to Mathline channel. In this, you can watch a maths lesson every week. So, today's lesson is very important in mathematics. That is a special type of number, that is fraction. You have studied various types of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. Here I would like to introduce what a fraction is. The meaning of fraction is a piece of one. When you break one object into many parts, each part become a fraction. For example, suppose your father brought a chocolate and you two children are there. So what your father will do? He will make the chocolate into two equal, that is very important, two equal parts. Why equal? Otherwise you will fight. So make the chocolate into two equal parts and give to both of you. So what each one will get, that is the piece of one. What piece of one? How many parts it is divided? That number is represented as 1, put a line, and 2. This part of the chocolate each of you getting. Clear? So for this is the chocolate. Two children are there. Exact middle it is divided, and each one will get clear. So this each part is 1 upon 2. It is called 1 upon 2. This is the fraction. This is less than 1. This value is less than 1. What is 1? 1 chocolate. That is made into two equal parts. So equal part is that 1 upon 2. One part out of two equal parts. One part out of two equal parts. This meaning of this is, it is a kind of division only. This line represents division. And the number written up is called numerator. Numerator of the fraction. And number 2, that is written below, that is the denominator of the fraction. So the half, it is also called half. Now suppose there are 3 children. Your friend is also there. So what he will do? What your father will do? The chocolate has to be divided into how many parts? How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. So what each one will get? We'll see. Equal parts. then each one will get how much? Say 3 equal parts. The full chocolate is divided into 3 equal parts. So one thing is divided into 3 equal parts. How to represent this? 1 upon 3. The down one written is how many parts it has to be divided. Which you have to divide, that is represent 1. Clear? So 1 upon 3, to read as 1 upon 3. 1 is called numerator and 3 is called denominator. This type of numbers are called fractions. Now consider this example. 2 upon 5. It is also a fraction. Clear? 2 upon, what does it means? What is 2 divided by 5? 2 divided by 5. Also it means 2 parts out of 5 equal parts. 2 parts. When a thing is divided into how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. Out of this, how many parts? 2 parts. It is also a fraction. So, this also will be less than 1. It is also will be less than 1. This number is also a less equal to, it lies in between 0 and 1. Complete 1 is not there. 1 is divided. And out of these 2 parts are, how to picturize this? The chocolate. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts it is divided. That is the present, the denominator. And how many parts are taken? 2 parts are. The shaded parts represent this number, 2 upon 5. So remember this fraction. These fractions are less than 1 and greater than 0. Now consider this example. 4 upon 3. You know that it is also not an integer. It is not an integer. If it is 4 upon 4, then it is an integer. We know that 4 upon 4 is equal to the value of this is an integer. 4 upon 4 is 1. 1 is an integer. But if it is 4 upon 3, which is the numerator? 4. Which is the denominator? 3. What difference you can observe in this fraction than the previous examples? In the previous example, the numerator is less than the denominator. And I told you that such fractions are less than 1. But here you see, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it will be definitely greater than 1. But it is not an integer. This is also a fraction. So what will be its value? See, where in the fraction will be in between any 2 consecutive integers. Clear? So in where it lies, its value is definitely greater than 1 when the numerator is greater. But it is not an integer. So how many 3's? Here also division is 3. 1 is divided into 3 equal parts. So out of this 3 part is taken. 3 part is taken. That is 3 upon 3. What is remaining? 1 part is remaining. one part out of 3 part is remaining. So the value will be, its value will be equal to 3 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 3 is 1 upon 3. One chocolate is divided into 3 equal parts, and one more chocolate is there, that is also divided into 3 equal parts. Out of this, then only you can get one more chocolate is required. Then only you can get 4 parts. 3 parts from the first chocolate, so that completed 1 we got. Clear? And the only 1 part from the second chocolate, that is also divided into 3 equal parts. So altogether its value is 1 and 1 upon 3. 1 and 1 upon 3. The value of this you understood? Here 2 chocolates are to be divided. Same equal parts. First chocolate is divided into 3 equal parts. Out of these 3 parts are taken, and the second chocolate also divided into 3 equal parts, and 1 part is taken. Together 4 parts. Otherwise 4 you cannot take from 3. That is understood. Clear? So this type of fractions are not proper. This type of fractions are called improper fraction. So what is proper fraction? When numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is greater than denominator, it is called improper fraction. But it is fraction because its value is not equal to an integer. So where its value will be greater than 1 but less than 2. So this value is in between the integers 1 and 2. So this form, this 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. We can write like this. Clear? So this form is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Clear? So different types of fraction you understood now. Proper fraction, that is when the numerator is less than denominator. In that case, only one object is divided into a number of equal parts. Its value will be always less than 1 and greater than 0. That lies in between 0 and 1. That value of proper fraction lies in between 0 and 1. And value of improper fraction lies between any 2 consecutive integers, but it will be greater than 1. It can be between 1 and 2. It can be between 2 and 3, etc. Clear? These are the different types of understood what is meant by fraction. The value of fraction is in between any 2 consecutive integers. It is very important number, that is fraction. One more example I will give you for the improper fraction and how to convert into mixed fraction. 7 upon 4. It is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. We know that it is not possible to take 7 parts out of 4 equal parts of a 1. So 1 more is required. Clear? So what is that? How we will divide? 4 upon 4. That is 1. Only 4 parts we can take out of 4 equal parts. The division is 4 into 4 parts only. Out of these 4 parts only we can take from a 1 chocolate. We taken chocolate. So what is remaining here? 3 parts remaining. 3 parts out of what? Out of 4. So plus what you can write? 3 upon 4 equal to what is 4 upon 4? 1. This way you have to write the line in middle mixed, the writing the form of mixed fraction. 1 3 upon 4. It is read as 1 and 3 upon 4. Where its value will be? It is greater than 1 but less than 2. And also we can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How it is? The same example we will take 1 3 upon 4 only will take. 1 3 upon 4. What you have to do? 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 upon 4. That is what you have to do. 4 into 1 plus 3 upon 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. This way you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So understood? Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. And the value of the fraction is in between any two consecutive integer. And we will study more about fraction in the upcoming classes. So you like this lesson? If you like it, please press the like button if you like it, and share my video forward as much as possible, and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching my channel, watching my video and supporting my channel. Bye bye. See you next week. Have a nice day. Thank you.